All right, so this is decreasing radius. So decreasing radius, navigating decreasing radius, and so what I'm doing is I'm going through these orange cones. Oh, we're getting back up to the other side. All right. So it's a big turn coupled with like, it's almost like a 360 turn. So you're doing a full circle and then the radius of the circle. So, or the diameter of the circle, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. It gets smaller and smaller. So it's a decreasing radius. And you have to maintain your speed and maintain your lean angle, or even adjust your lean angle and all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be practicing. This is actually very good. I really like the other stuff, and I think that'd be really good for parking lot practice. This one right here is a little bit harder because you have to use a lot more room, but the cone stuff is really awesome. I really like it, so super excited. I'm just gonna have fun. I'm gonna share this with you guys. So I'm really talking to myself. So these are my thoughts. These are my shower thoughts and my riding thoughts. I got a booger. So I'm not here trying to make a vlog. I'm here to take notes for myself while I'm riding. Having a ton of fun. We got all these people behind me. It's awesome. It's just awesome to be riding with other people and training with other people. I think it's so cool. It's just so cool. This is what I want to do. I want to do this. Like, I want to be what Trina's doing right now. I would love to have a parking lot this size here locally that I have permission to use. So orange, orange, green, green, green.
Are you going to come back on the 27th, or are you good?
No, I'm going to come back. Forgot about the swerve almost last second. So it's just like this big turn. I wanted to kind of get an idea of what I was doing, where the cones were, because they're little small puck cones, so it's kind of hard to see. And so now I'm going to take this next one quicker, so we'll see how that goes. She was asking me if I was coming back on the 27th for the BRC2, because this is the advanced course. I'm going to be taking a less advanced course at the end of the month, but I want to take everything. I want to take everything. I want to take as many classes as I possibly can. I want to do this, this, and this, and this, because I want everybody, right? I want the knowledge. That's the thing, is I want the knowledge so I can teach better. So I can figure out what it is I need to stress about in teaching and what I don't need to stress about in teaching. Because right now, the way I'm thinking is I need to stress about everything. So right now I'm like stressing about everything. So like when I was teaching Nikki, it's like, man, I gotta, you know, stress about the clutch. I gotta stress about throttle control. And I think that's too much for beginners. So I just need to, a lot of people are saying to take a step back, and that's true. I need to take a step back on certain things, not everything. So right now what I'm practicing is, like I said, the decreasing radius, but I really want to practice more of the counter lean and getting off the bike, like, you know, going like this. That way the bike is more upright, because the traction pie, remember, I'm thinking out loud in almost like a vlog voice, but the traction pie, so the traction pie is the tire. So I have, like, you know, you want to use a certain amount for turning, a certain amount for braking and acceleration. So I don't want to be leaning so far that I don't have a lot of traction. So if I need to accelerate, I'll slip out. If I brake, I slip out and all that stuff. Good. So let's go this a little faster. Yeah. I was having fun on that one. So that's basically it. I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try to save as much of this battery as I can. So if you guys have any questions, I always end the videos like that. So yeah, I'll be watching this over and over and over and over again to try to come up with notes for myself. I'll be seeing you guys later.